Most people get this wrong, and they assume getting a refund on PayPal is complicated or impossible. The truth is, using PayPal in 2026 makes refunds pretty straightforward, but only if you follow the correct dispute process in the right order. In this video, you'll learn how to get a refund on PayPal, how to open a dispute properly, and how to increase your chances of winning the case quickly. Let's start with the most important step. Before you do anything, check your transaction details. Go to your PayPal account, find the payment, and review whether it was marked as goods and services or friends and family. This matters a lot because goods and services transactions are protected, while friends and family payments usually are not. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people immediately message the seller, but the smarter move is to first open a dispute inside PayPal's resolution center. This creates an official record and starts your protection process. Here's how it works. Open your PayPal account, go to Activity, select the transaction, and click Report a Problem. Then choose Item Not Received, or Significantly Not as Described, depending on your situation. But here's the problem. Many users don't provide enough detail, and that slows everything down. When writing your dispute, be very specific. For example, say what you ordered, what you received, and what exactly is wrong. Clear facts help PayPal review your case faster. Now here's where it gets interesting. After opening a dispute, PayPal gives the seller time to respond. During this stage, many refunds are resolved without escalation. If the seller agrees, you get your money back quickly. In a minute, I'll show you the step that most people miss, which can turn a denied dispute into a successful claim. If the seller does not respond or refuses to refund, you can escalate the dispute to a claim. This means PayPal steps in directly and reviews evidence from both sides. At this point, uploading proof like screenshots, order confirmations, or tracking issues becomes very important. Another key tip is timing. You usually have a limited window to open a dispute, often within 180 days of payment. Waiting too long can make your case invalid, even if you are right. To wrap it up, getting a refund on PayPal in 2026 is all about using the right process. Check your payment type, open a dispute quickly, provide clear evidence, and escalate if needed. Most refunds are won by people who follow the steps correctly, not those who argue longer. If this helped you understand how refunds really work, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you protect your money online.